Imagine having a pair of earbuds that deliver crystal clear sound, have a long battery life, and fit comfortably in your ears without emptying your wallet. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, not anymore. Because today, I'm going to show you the Oneplus Buds 3, the latest wireless earbuds from Oneplus that claim to be the best earbuds under $100 in 2024. But are they really worth the hype? Stay tuned to find out. Welcome back to the Tech Critic, where I give you honest and unbiased reviews of the latest gadgets and tech products from Apple, Samsung, and other companies. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you for your support. And don't forget to let me know what you think of the Oneplus Buds 3 in the comments below. So, what are the Oneplus Buds 3? They are the third generation of wireless earbuds from Oneplus, a company that is known for making affordable and high-quality smartphones. The Oneplus Buds 3 were launched in January 2024, and they are priced at $99, which is quite competitive for the features they offer. But before we get into the details, let's take a look at what's inside the box. The Oneplus Buds 3 come in a sleek white box with the Oneplus logo and the name of the product on the front. On the back, you can see some of the key features and specifications of the earbuds, such as the battery life, the water and dust resistance, and the touch volume control. Inside the box, you'll find the earbuds themselves, along with a charging case, a USB-C cable, a user manual, and some extra ear tips in different sizes. The earbuds and the case are available in two colors, metallic gray and splendid blue. I got the splendid blue ones, and I think they look very elegant and premium. The Oneplus Buds 3 have a similar design to the previous Oneplus Buds, with a stem that sticks out of your ears and a circular touchpad on the outside. The earbuds are made of plastic, but they feel sturdy and durable. They are also very lightweight, weighing only 4.7 grams each. The ear tips are made of silicone, and they are soft and comfortable to wear. They also provide a good seal in your ears, which helps to block out some of the ambient noise. The earbuds are also IP55 rated, which means they are resistant to dust and water splashes, so you can use them for workouts or outdoor activities without worrying about damaging them. The charging case is also made of plastic, and it has a matte finish that prevents fingerprints and scratches. It has a magnetic lid that snaps shut securely, and a USB-C port on the back for charging. The case also supports wireless charging, which is a nice feature to have. The case is small and compact, and it can easily fit in your pocket or bag. It has a LED indicator on the front that shows the battery level of the case and the earbuds. The case can hold up to 44 hours of charge, while the earbuds can last up to 10 hours on a single charge, which is pretty impressive for earbuds in this price range. Now let's talk about the most important aspect of any earbuds, the sound quality. The Oneplus Buds 3 have 11mm dynamic drivers that deliver rich and balanced sound across different genres of music. The bass is deep and punchy, the mids are clear and detailed, and the highs are crisp and bright. The soundstage is also wide and spacious, giving you a sense of immersion and realism. The Oneplus Buds 3 also support Dolby Atmos, which enhances the sound quality even further by adding more depth and dimension to the audio. You can enable this feature in the Oneplus Buds app, which is available for both Android and iOS devices. The Oneplus Buds app also lets you customize the touch controls, the equalizer, the firmware updates, and the Find My Earbuds feature. The touch controls are very responsive and easy to use. You can tap once to play or pause the music, tap twice to skip to the next track or answer or end a call, and tap and hold to activate the noise cancellation or the voice assistant. The Active Noise Cancellation, or ANC, is one of the main features of the Oneplus Buds 3, and it works very well. It uses 3 microphones on each earbud to filter out the background noise and let you focus on the music or the conversation. You can also switch to the transparency mode, which lets you hear the ambient sound without taking off the earbuds. This is useful when you need to be aware of your surroundings, such as when you're crossing the street or talking to someone. The Oneplus Buds 3 also have a low latency mode, which reduces the delay between the audio and the video. This is especially useful for gaming or watching movies, as it improves the sync and the immersion. You can activate this mode by tapping and holding both earbuds for 3 seconds. The The earbuds will also automatically pause the music when you take them off and resume it when you put them back on. This is a smart and convenient feature that saves battery and time. So, are the Oneplus Buds 3 the best earbuds under $100? Well, based on my experience, I would say yes. They have a great sound quality, a long battery life, a comfortable fit, and a lot of features that make them stand out from the crowd. They are also compatible with any device that has Bluetooth, so you can use them with your smartphone, tablet, laptop, or TV. The only minor drawbacks I can think of are the lack of volume control on the earbuds, as it requires you to slide your finger on the stem, and 2, the limited color options. But other than that, I think the Oneplus Buds 3 are a great value for money, and I would highly recommend them to anyone who is looking for a pair of wireless earbuds that won't break the bank. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or feedback about the Oneplus Buds 3, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The Tech Critic, for more latest phone release updates and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.